Hey everyone, today we're going to be looking at one of the easiest ways you can grow mushrooms at home with little to no equipment. If you're looking to spice up those recipes by adding some gourmet mushrooms to the mix, Spore has you covered with their spray and grow kit. The kit comes in 4 different varieties: yellow, pink, and blue oyster and lion's mane. In this video we're going to show you how it's done with one of the lion's mane kits. This mushroom gets its name from its unique appearance resembling a lion's mane. These mushrooms are not only delicious, but they have the potential for cognitive and neurological benefits. Alright, let's get into exactly how it's done. First thing in the box, we're going to open up, we're going to find the spray bottle, and we're going to find some instructions. The first thing in the instructions says we need to cut the front of the box open on the perforated line, so we're going to go ahead and do that now. Next thing we're going to do is get a sharp knife and we're going to cut an X in the front. Then we're going to take our spray bottle we got with the kit and we're going to fill it with water. Then we're just going to spray down the front of it pretty good until it's pretty wet. Next thing we're going to want to do is put this in a nice humid place, somewhere outside of direct sunlight, like a kitchen counter or somewhere close to the sink where humidity will stay high. For the first few days, you aren't going to notice much growth at all. It's just going to look the same. Don't forget to mist your kit 3 times a day because mushrooms love the humidity to get going. If you live in a really dry, arid area and you don't have a specific place for this, you may consider putting a bag over this for a makeshift humidity dome. Just make sure you cut some holes in it so the mushrooms can breathe. In just a few days, you'll start to see some growth happening on the outside of the block. Remember to mist your block 2 to 3 times a day still throughout this process. The warmer the climate, the faster the mushrooms will grow. In just a few days, they have some pretty good growth. They should be ready in about 3 to 5 days after the first signs of growth. At this point, patience is key. We're just waiting for the mushrooms to finish up. With this spray and grow kit from Spore, growing mushrooms at home couldn't be any easier. So if you're looking to expand those ingredients for some of your dishes that you make at home, or in the case of lion's mane that are not just good but good for you, then Spore spray and grow kit may be the one for you.